This 3-bedroom 2.5-bath colonial is offered at $375,000 and has upgrades throughout. Brazilian cherry floors in living and dining rooms. Ceramic floor and granite countertops in kitchen with custom cabinets. The family room has cathedral ceilings and a large fireplace surrounded by built-in cabinets. Outside is complete with a 2-car attached garage, Swift in-ground pool and 40x56 custom pole barn. The property has an additional parcel in Tockwogh Terrace providing water access to community beach and boat ramp. For more information visit www.baypropertyteam.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-890-0381.